Ever felt like your money just vanishes into thin air? Like you're constantly chasing your tail, paycheck to paycheck? If so, you're not alone. But what if there was a tool that could help you take control of your finances once and for all? YNAB, or You Need a Budget, isn't just budgeting software, it's a financial philosophy. It's about giving every dollar a job. Every dollar you earn, every dollar you spend, it all has a purpose. The core tenets of YNAB. Give every dollar a job. This is the heart of YNAB. Instead of passively watching your money dwindle, you actively assign a job to every dollar. Whether it's rent, groceries, or a fun night out, each dollar has a purpose. Embrace your reality. YNAB encourages you to face your financial reality head-on. Don't hide from overspending or debt. By acknowledging your current situation, you can start making positive changes. Roll with the punches. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses can derail even the best-laid plans. YNAB helps you adapt to these curveballs by prioritizing your spending and making adjustments as needed. Age your money. This is a unique YNAB concept. By waiting a few days before spending new income, you can make more informed decisions and avoid impulsive purchases. The benefits of using YNAB. Reduced stress. Knowing where your money is going and having a plan for every dollar can significantly reduce financial stress. Increased savings. By prioritizing your savings goals and giving every dollar a job, you'll find it easier to save money. Improved financial habits. YNAB helps you develop healthy financial habits that can last a lifetime. Enhanced financial awareness. By tracking your spending and income, you'll gain a deeper understanding of your financial situation. Overcoming the learning curve. While YNAB may have a bit of a learning curve, the investment of time is well worth it. Many users find that the initial effort pays off in the long run. Consider joining the YNAB community for tips, tricks, and support. YNAB is more than just a budgeting tool, it's a lifestyle change. By adopting the YNAB philosophy and using the software consistently, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.